Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today I'm going to harvest this garlic. As you can see guys, this garlic is not looking good. And even me, I'm not very positive about the harvest. But since it's dying, might as well harvest this one. So if I'm not mistaken, I planted this one in December maybe. And since it's winter, so it grows, it grew just a little bit and then it became dormant, and then in early spring, if not, it started to grow, and then now I noticed that it's dying. And then not only that one, my dog Kissy, she bit some of this one and start pulling, and I have to plant it back. So right now I am going to harvest this one and see if I will get any, which is I'm not really very optimistic. So I will show it to you guys, okay? Oh, there's a little one in here. I tried to water this one this morning because I was planning to harvest that one today, and that's why it's wet. There's a little. This one is very tiny. This one too. I don't know if I can even use this one. They're tiny except for the first one. So here comes guys, they're all small ones, they're very tiny. I'm not sure if I can replant this one, like cut this one all the way and replant it. Maybe it will go back. This one is fine, the rest of it are not. So this is a failure. So guys, thank you for watching. You know, even though it's a failure, but I'm still have to grow garlic, because in my previous video, as you can see, I have a success planting garlic. So maybe this one just happened because I planted it in December and it became dormant, and after that one it was not really growing so well. I just tried to water it, and that's it. So okay guys, see you next time. Okay, thank you, bye.